Wisconsin leads all states in vaccine supply used at 95%, but we still have vaccination hesitancy. Taylor Lumpkin has a story that's new at 5.
Hesitancy is a real concern.
Health officials are finding that vaccine mistrust is very real, and they're trying to address the worries.
Hearing from people you trust and hearing from authentic voices in the community is absolutely the #1 avenue to building that vaccine confidence.
At the end of the day, it's about local validators, and whether it's a local minister or whether it's a local community leader, that's who we're encouraging to step up.
After a lot of praying, Milwaukee pastor Kurt Owens reluctantly decided to get his first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine, but he says he doesn't feel comfortable telling his congregation to get vaccinated.
For me, it's not a situation where I feel comfortable telling people it's safe.
Pastor Owens says there is a true fear of the vaccine in minority communities, especially among African Americans, citing the Tuskegee experiment. That was a study conducted in 1932 where black men were given doses of syphilis but never treated for the disease.
Many people are not aware of the Tuskegee experiment outside of the minority community, but it's something that's really close to heart in the minority community.
After 1 week of providing walk-in vaccine clinics for communities of color in Milwaukee County, health officials say turnout isn't exactly what they expected it to be. Taking a closer look, on Monday, North Division High School administered 434 doses of the Pfizer vaccine to residents, but by Thursday, only 264 doses were administered. That compares to South Division High School, where they've been steadily administering at least 400 doses over the past week, but officials say even more could be given out.
The numbers don't surprise us at this point in time. We do need to do much more work in communities to build that vaccine confidence.
Over the next couple of months, Milwaukee County's vaccine outreach team will be developing strategies to help build confidence, which includes having people who got their vaccine share their experiences. In Milwaukee, Taylor Lumpkin, TMJ4 News.
A new CDC study finds that Pfizer and Moderna vaccines are highly effective in preventing COVID infection. Researchers tracked thousands of healthcare workers and first responders who were tested weekly. Infection was reduced by 90% 2 weeks after getting their second vaccine dose. The risk decreased by 80% after a first dose. Experts say it takes about 2 weeks to produce antibodies that protect against the infection.